In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 0x8004de44 OneDrive error. If you've encountered this error, you're not alone. Many users experience this issue, which interrupts your workflow and can be quite frustrating. Thankfully, solving this problem is straightforward and won't take up much of your time. Let's dive in and resolve this error in just 5 minutes. First, we're going to open the Run dialog box. To do this, simply press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This handy dialog allows us to execute commands directly, bypassing some of the usual menus. Once the Run dialog box appears, you're ready for the next step. Now, in the provided text box, type in the following command, %localappdata%swa, Microsoft OneDrive .exe reset. What this command does is reset the OneDrive application, clearing out any temporary glitches or errors that are causing the 0x8004de44 problem. Be careful to type it exactly as it appears to ensure it functions correctly. After entering the command, go ahead and press Enter on your keyboard. This action will execute the reset command for OneDrive. You might not notice anything immediately, as the command works behind the scenes to reset the application. Next, we're going to allow OneDrive some time to reset and automatically restart. Typically, OneDrive should restart on its own once the reset command has been processed. If, however, you notice that it doesn't start back up automatically, you can easily restart it yourself. Simply find OneDrive in your Start menu or search for it in the search bar, and click to open it manually. Additionally, if you find that you're still experiencing issues with OneDrive, it's a good idea to check for updates and clear the application's cache. Sometimes, outdated software or a full cache can cause performance hiccups, so ensuring that OneDrive is up to date and running smoothly can help minimize future problems. Keeping your software up to date is always a wise move for maintaining the best functionality and security, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should have successfully resolved the 0x8004de44 OneDrive error. If you're still encountering difficulties, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for more in-depth assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has helped you get OneDrive back on track. Remember, for more handy tech tips and solutions, be sure to subscribe and keep watching. Happy computing!